Hey guys! So we are about to go head out and go shopping for Christmas presents for some of our friends, and it's about to be raining today, so we're trying to get there before it starts pouring, and then tomorrow is going to be snowing throughout the rest of the week, so we're trying to get a lot of stuff done today so we don't have to go out for the rest of the week. So we're going to go to the mall. We're probably going to get some stuff from Lululemon for one of our friends, and they don't even watch our YouTube videos. They don't even watch YouTube at all, so they won't see any of it. So we're gonna take you guys along with us, maybe give you guys some ideas of what to get for some of your friends, and we'll see you when we get back. So when we lived in California, we would go to a coffee shop almost every single day because there was one that was like right below our apartment. So we would go every single day. And now that we live in Utah, there's not a coffee shop within walking distance. So we've been trying to make coffee at home just for one, to save money because getting coffee every day obviously adds up, and two, we're just trying to like not drive as much and trying to like actually stay home and like cook more and make everything at home. So I'm gonna make some coffee real quick before we head out, and hopefully we can beat the rain before it starts. Alright, I have my Christmas socks on, and I guess I'll show you just some of the gifts that we got for some of our friends. We got one of our friends just some North Face gloves because they moved somewhere where it's really cold, so they were telling us that they need some gloves, so we just decided to get those. And we also got one of our friends a little wine chiller stick, so I guess you just put this in the freezer and then you put it in your wine and it's supposed to cool it down. And let's see, also for the same friend, we got them this automatic wine opener. They're like super big into wine. And then we just got some small gifts like some caramels and a set of Christmas candles, and then another candle for one of our friends. And we also got these ice molds. As you can tell, our friends like to have drinks. And then we also just got a few things from Lush, just these small little bottles of shower gel, just because I feel like these are good stocking stuffers. So we got a couple of those. And then we also got one of our guy friends some pants from Lululemon and just some of their boxers, because these boxers are honestly great. Steven has them, so I figured when you're older, it's always nice to get like stuff that you're actually going to use. I'm not the best gift wrapper by any means.
That looks great.
But I feel like from afar they look really cute.
That looks so good.
We went with a lot more like neutral colored wrapping paper, just like regular paper that's recyclable, so it's not like the plastic kind. But yeah, these look pretty cute if I do say so myself. So I'm pretty stoked on how they're turning out, but so far so good. So we just started decorating for Christmas a few days ago, and we figured we would show you guys what it looks like. It's not like 100% done by any means, but we're really happy with how it's looking so far because we did like a lot of like neutral colors and we're trying to keep it a little bit more simple. So we'll show you guys what it looks like. So our friends Michaela and Josh actually got us this cookbook, and it actually has some drink recipes in it. So this is the drink that we're gonna make tonight. It's a pomegranate thyme vodka spritz. So we have all of the ingredients right here, and we're just gonna follow along with the instructions, and hopefully it turns out looking like that. So first you're gonna wanna just peel some ginger, and you're gonna wanna add some honey and some water into a pot, boil that along with the slices of ginger and thyme. And then you're gonna take some vodka and some elderberry liquor and add that into a little pitcher along with some pomegranate juice. And then you're just gonna cut up a few limes and juice that and add that in with the rest of the liquid. And then you're just gonna strain out that simple syrup and then pour that in with the rest of the liquid. And then just go ahead and stir that, pour it over some ice about 2/3 of the way. And then you're just gonna top it with some ginger beer. And from there, this is totally optional, but you can add a few pomegranate seeds, and you can also add a few sprigs of thyme. And it is so good, you guys. This is seriously one of our favorite drinks we've ever made. Let us know if you guys try it. Now that we made our drinks, we're gonna make a few little Christmas cookies. We just got some sugar cookie mix and some icing from the grocery store, so nothing crazy. We're just gonna do something really simple, and we're gonna have a cookie decorating contest to see who can decorate the best cookie.
I'm gonna lose. Bree is way more artistic, so Bree's gonna flex on her cookie skills, so let's take a look how good they are.
Also, can we talk about how cute these little measuring spoons are? I got these at Michael's today, and they are just the cutest thing ever. I want to use them all year round, honestly. So since we don't have a rolling pin, we're just using a water bottle and putting some flour on it to roll this out. So our friend Lauren told us that if you put these on the cookie sheet and then you put them in the freezer for a couple minutes before you cook them, it helps prevent them, if I can get them all up there, helps prevent them from like spreading out, because when we made Halloween cookies last month, ours like fell apart. So we're gonna try this and see if that actually helps solve the issue. All right, into the freezer they go. Anyone know how to get your cookies from spreading out? Because this always happens and it makes them look not how they're supposed to.
Yeah, so the red one is going great. Holiday decorating with Steven.
Oh my god, how did that happen? Did you squeeze it too hard?
I squeezed too hard, I got too excited, and now we've got a lot of red icing to use. Do you want some? So it looked like I stabbed somebody with this knife, but my art career has been stabbed.
So let us know in the comments which one is the best. Is it this one, like Steven's? He has the red gingerbread man and this Christmas tree, or my red gingerbread man and my Christmas tree. So we're just gonna eat these now. They're not the prettiest, but